Welcome back to the channel English Language Tips. So how are you all? How are you utilizing this lockdown period? What are the new skills that you have acquired within this period? Let me know in the comment box. I'm waiting for your reply. So regarding today's video, this is the continuation of the last video that I did regarding the correct pronunciation of 10 new words, and today another 10 more words. So I have planned to make a series on this correct pronunciation of words so that I'll let you know how to pronounce some of the mostly mispronounced words in a correct way. So without much further delay, let us begin. And if you are new to the channel, I'll request you all to take a moment and subscribe to the channel. I promise I won't let you down. So now let's begin. The very first word of today's video is Tuesday. Tuesday is generally mispronounced as Tuesday or Tuesday. So it is neither Tuesday or Tuesday, but it is Tuesday. Day is pronounced as day and not day. It is day. So the correct pronunciation is Tuesday with the stress on the first syllable tu. So this generally leads to the next difficult words in the series of days, and that is Wednesday. So Wednesday is never pronounced as Wednesday. It is Wednesday. So again, I have told you that day is not pronounced as day but day. So Wednesday is Wednesday, and the stress is on the syllable wens. So it is Wednesday. The third sound of today's video is career. Carreer is neither carrier not carrier. It is career. So let me tell you two important information regarding this word. Number one is if the k sound is at the beginning position of a word, it is aspirated and it sounds as k syllable, career. And the second information is if the ra sound is at the end position of a word and the word is used or pronounced in isolation, the ra sound is never pronounced. The ra sound is only pronounced if the word is included in the middle of a sentences. So in isolation, carreer would pronounce as career. And the stress is on the second syllable re, so it would sound as career. So the next word in today's list is vehicle. So vehicle, which means automobiles, is neither vehicle nor vehicle. It is vehicle, and the pronunciation, the stress is on the first syllable V and giving rise to the pronunciation vehicle. So the next word in today's list is very much confusing for so many people. It is neither genre not genre. It is genre. So the stress is on the first syllable genre and the word would be pronounced as genre. The sixth word in today's list is comment. So I always ask you to leave a comment in the comment box. So you see the k sound is again at the beginning position and it always would be aspirated one, would give rise to the k sound. So it is neither comment nor comment. It is comment, and the stress is on the first syllable com and the pronunciation is again comment. Let us go to the seventh word now. It is date. DEBT is never pronounced as debt. The B is silent here as it is the monosyllabic word, so the stress will be on that syllable only. So the pronunciation would be date. Let us go on to the eighth word. This word is similar to the previous one where a letter in the word is silenced. So this is receipt. RECEIPT is not pronounced as receipt. The P is silent here and the stress is on the middle syllable C. So it is receipt. Let us go to the ninth word. It is tuition. TUITION is never tuition. It is tuition and the stress is on the second syllable V and it is tuition. Let us go on to the last word, and this is congratulation. congratulation is never congratulation. It is congratulation. The U letter in the word is not pronounced as oo sound. It is omitted. It is silenced. So the word is pronounced as congratulation, and the stress is on the lay syllable. So it is congratulations. I hope you have liked today's video. If you did so, don't forget to give a thumbs up, as it motivates me a lot to make new content for you on a regular basis. And share the videos with your friends. You can leave me a comment in the comment box, ideas, suggestions regarding future videos, feedback of the earlier videos. I always do give a read to them, and I always try to reply to them as my time permits. So hope to see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.